You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in British English as Stridor, Stridor, also in American English either Stridor, also Stridor. There are different correct pronunciations, Stridor or Stridor. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.